Welcome guys back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get Krnl, the exploit, the executor, what you guys wanted to call it. But inside this video I'll be showing you how to get Krnl and how to get all the scripts, stuff like that. So first you want to click download, but before you do that you want to disable your antivirus. So sometimes it might detect it, but it's not a virus. It's just getting inside the files, so it can actually make you able to hack. And when it does that, the antivirus thinks that it's trying to lock them up and stuff, like a ransomware or a Trojan. But it's not a virus, I promise. So you want to click download. Then it's gonna start downloading. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to do it. Yeah, it says that that download is a virus, but do accept the risk if you have McAfee. So once you downloaded it, you want to go to your downloads folder and do the kernel_bootstrapper.rar. Some people might not have WinRAR. If you don't, you can right click it, then do 7. You go to the 7-zip area, then do extract files. Then press OK. But once you do that, you have a kernel file. But if you do have WinRAR, you just press it, then it'll open up WinRAR. If it has like this, oh my god, you gotta buy it and stuff like that. So if it does say that, just press that. Then do extract to. Then just find what you want to name it. I'll just name it kernel. And press OK. Then after you do that, you go to the new folder that I made called kernel, or if you use 7-zip, go to the folder. There's gonna be barely a difference. Once you go to the folder, there's gonna be a kernel bootstrapper. Then I gotta make sure that my antivirus is down. So click it. Then it's gonna open up this thingy. So it's gonna start downloading all the files that it needs. It's gonna have these files. Then it's gonna make a kernel folder just for the stuff that it needs. And once it downloads all the injectors, stuff like that, it's gonna finish downloading. Then once it's finished downloading, you can actually start doing the hacking. I'll come back to you guys when the download is done. So I finished installing it. So, wait, where's the folder again? Oh yeah. So once you finish installing it, what? Okay, sometimes you have problems. You just gotta fix it. Didn't you have it? Okay, so I made a mistake. It turns out that I didn't finish the downloading. Sometimes it can be stuck on stuff. Then you might think it's done. Yeah, it takes a little bit. It takes like 10 minutes or something for me. I don't know why. It might be my Wi-Fi having a stroke again. I'm not sure. But it takes a long time on the kernel.exe file. I don't know why. I'm just gonna be disabling my antivirus for a little bit more, because this might take a little bit more than 15 minutes. I'll come back to you guys when it's done installing. So it finally finished installing. It took a little bit, but once it's done installing, you should go to your kernel folder. Okay, something's wrong. It's not downloading the kernel. I don't think this is it. Let's try it. Is it kernel? I remember being kernel. Oh, okay. So you actually need to go to kernel.exe. So once you go to that file, you'll have this clean UI, everything. So first, to do the hack, you need to go to Roblox, so you can actually start hacking. And some of the things that are cool about it are that in the options, the thing that I recommend you having is turn do not have opacity fade in / out, because it just makes you ugly. Like if you're trying to use it in another application, it'll just be like this. Literally nobody likes it. The other thing that I don't know how to change your themes, but yeah. So once you got to your Roblox, you go to any game that you want. I'm gonna be using a base play because, like, you know, that's where I test out my scripts and my hacks. So once you get to the base play area, you want to go in ahead and press play. Like you just need to get inside the game. Then whenever the second that Roblox pops up for you, press inject. Beep. Oh yeah, I forgot. So there's actually this most free exploits. Oh yeah, oh god, no, not again. So there's a sad thing. Roblox updated today. And whenever Roblox updates, all the hacks don't work. So I won't be able to show you how Krnl works. But once you get into a Roblox game, you press inject. Then when you press inject, you just press the hot script and like get like Command X or something. Like, yeah, the Command X, and with the Command X, you just type in like fly. Then you start flying, stuff like that. I won't be able to show you guys today because all the hacks don't work right now. But I'm sorry because of that. But once they do start working, I'll come back to y'all and I'll show you guys how to inject, execute, and find scripts. So if you want to find cool scripts, you can either go to V3 Million, but you need to sign up for it, or you can go to robloxscripts.com. And in that area, you can find out a bunch of scripts. I don't need to upgrade Roblox, but you can find a bunch of scripts that you'll like. For example, there's scripts like there's FE scripts, there's kill all scripts inside Arsenal. There's a bunch of scripts here, and all these scripts you can use them. If you want to see how it looks like. So you just go to the website robloxscripts.com. Most of the time you need to download the scripts, but they're just text files or Lua files, so they can't do anything bad to your computer. But the only areas that you should trust are Roblox scripts, because like I used them for a long time and had no problems. But once you're using V3 Million, there's some people that have these malicious scripts which can IP grab you. So when you're inside V3 Million, be careful. But for example, if I'm on Arsenal kill all script, then I just search it. And my computer's being slow today, but it'll definitely be like this. But once you reach it, let's just take Arsenal shoot to kill all open source. Let's just take this one to test. So you just press download, but and most of the time it'll take you to Mediafire or automatically download. So I don't know why they didn't use a load string or anything. But once you reach this, only 2 gigabytes, which is barely anything. And with that amount of data, you can do like literally anything bad to your computer. But once you get it, there's the script. You just press Control A, then Control C to copy it. Then open up your kernel. I don't know why it didn't open. Is it gonna open up? I hope it's gonna open up. I'm sorry, I really need to get a new computer. This one's way too slow, but I can't afford one. since I'm a kid. But so when you finally get your script, you press Control V, or you can just do paste or something. But then the whole entire script gets inside it. Then once you're inside the Roblox, inside Arsenal, in this case, press Inject. Then since I'm not inside Roblox, it said, oh no, there's no Roblox. But if you are in Roblox, just press Inject. It's gonna open up this console thing, and you need to actually get a key and go through link advertise. But I have this cool thing that this cool thing. Krnl. Well, you go to cdn.krnl.rock/getkey.php. That's how you get the key. Yeah, and my key expired. But basically, you need to go through this this long and lengthy key system, which can get sometimes annoying. That's why I don't like it. That's why most of the time I have a paid exploit like Synapse, because there is no key system, and I can execute most scripts. And if, for example, you have a kernel and you try to execute something and it doesn't work, and you're like, oh no, this doesn't work, don't go into the comments hating like so fast. Most of the time it's because kernel doesn't support it. That's the bad thing about it. But no. So once you reach to link advertise, press free access with ads, and you'll go through the whole entire key system, which is annoying. But once you do all of it, you're gonna get your key, and you paste inside the console. But you don't need to paste; it'll automatically detect it when you get it. But once that happens, then you press execute. Then this script, whenever you shoot, it'll kill everybody. So yeah. So once you do that, you can start being a hacker. And this is just a disclaimer at the end of the video. Do not do, and I'm saying do not do anything bad with this. Like exploiting normally, like kill all, stuff like that is okay. But like if you're trying to hack accounts or something, yeah, don't do that. It's not safe or anything. And the other thing is, I do not take any responsibility for any banned accounts. Do this in your own risk. And the last thing that I want to say is, I hope you have a great day. Subscribe and like, or else a sweater will be under your bed. JK. But please subscribe and like, because I want subscribers, and at the end of the year, I really want at least 10 subscribers. So once we reach there, I might do like a Sentinel giveaway or something, a trial giveaway, cause I'm a broke boy. But subscribe and like. At the end of the year, I might do a giveaway at the New Year's. But I hope I'll see you guys later. Peace.